beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your November love and work forecast for Aquarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Aquarius, this reading is for you. If you know an Aquarius, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Click the bell icon because if you don't subscribe, you will not see the content that you love. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share, friends, so that you can see and watch only that you enjoy. So make sure to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. God bless you all, and happy November, friends. How are you doing? And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. For personal readings, you can visit our website. Let's see, theme of the month, Aquarius. Theme of the month of November for Aquarius. Oh, your own card, Aquarius. The star. This is beautiful. And look at the theme. This card is perfectly blending with this decor. Theme of the month of November for Aquarius. Wow, Four of Pentacles. Oops. The Chariot. Oh my God, the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, this is interesting. Things are moving forward for you. Wheel of Fortune, the Chariot, the Four of Pentacles. Oh my God. Finally, you are starting, October was like this, slow and a little boring for you, Aquarius. Or probably, things were not as fast as you wanted them to be, Aquarius, but in November, your creativity will be super high. I also feel, there is a chance of you will start something new, or childbirth will happen for some of you, pregnancy. If you are married, and if you are looking for that, for others, you'll be starting a business. Some fond wish is going to come true that you want, that you are planning, that you are working on. Wheel of Fortune, luck is with you, things moving forward, stuck things moving forward. This is destiny changing. It's moving for you, changing for you, shifting things for you. You may see a lot of changes this month, Aquarius, because you have the destiny card with you. So things are like, ooh, everything is aligning for you, Aquarius. And look at that, the Chariot. I do see some of you will be traveling, or someone is traveling towards you. Maybe your dream goal, your dream wishes, something will be coming towards you. Progress is coming in your life. I also feel, friends, life will not be dull for you, Aquarius, in November. Things are like fast. So get ready. It's a great month. I haven't seen such good cards in a long time for Aquarius. Yay! Let's see your love life. I also feel some of you want to change your home or country, or you want to travel. Yes, it is going to happen in November. November Rain. That reminds me of that song, November Rain. I think it's by Guns N' Roses. Absolutely fantastic band. I love it. Guns N' Roses. My favorite. Okay, let's see. Let's see. See, I'm again on the pick a card readings. I think you should see the pick a card readings. Which pick a card reading, angels, they should see? 1 year from now, pick a card reading. I think you have missed out on that. You have also missed out on November pick a card readings, charms readings, November love pick a card reading, friends. Make sure to go and check it out, because I think you need to, because things are moving forward for Aquarius. So let's see. Love life for Aquarius. Ooh, Four of Cups. Aquarius, love life in November. Aquarius, their love life in November. Ooh, Eight of Cups, the King of Cups. Love life for Aquarius in November. Ooh, Page of Pentacles. Wow, twin flame energy. Woohoo, nice, very nice. Okay. The Magician. My God, Aquarius, you are in a powerful energy. Aquarius, November. The Nine of Wands. Wow, I haven't seen the Nine of Wands in almost all the readings. The Knight of Swords, the King of Swords. Angels, please. Wow, the Knight of, I mean, like, how many people are coming for you, Aquarius? What's going on? A lot of people are coming towards you, Aquarius. Yes, there's a lot of people coming towards you, Aquarius. I don't know what's going on. Firstly, you start feeling the month of November in your love, like you're bored, people are not taking action towards you. I feel someone is missing you, Aquarius. Look at here. Someone is brooding, sitting and thinking about this angel that they are missing. This is you, Aquarius, this fairy, this mermaid. You know, they are like, why? What happened? Why did I lost this angel, this mermaid? What happened? Whew. I think someone is, you may have left a relationship, or you have created some distance between someone and yourself, Aquarius, or you are in a long distance or no contact situation for someone, but I feel that person is missing you at the start of November. You are also missing them, and they might be making a move towards you. I feel this person is feeling a lot of love and emotions towards you, and I see them making a move or messaging you or proposing you or just saying, hey, how are you, because they are missing you. They just can't get over you. They thought they will get over you, but look, hey, what happened? They can't. Surprise, surprise to them. I do feel, friends, in the second week of November, this is your twin flame, friends. They are making a slow progress. Slowly, slowly, they are coming towards you, and they are also, understanding this relationship. What is this relationship? What is this connection? I think things will be clear for you with this connection in the second week of November. I feel this person and you are twin flames, so there is a lot of lot of attraction, lot of repulsion, and a lot of things happening. But I feel this person is going to if there something was bothering in this connection or blocking this connection, those blocks will be energetically lifted. You are shining so bright that this person just can't help falling in love with you, Aquarius. You know, I think someone's favorite song is uh, Elvis Presley is falling in love with you. So, yeah, I do see that person singing that song. So, yeah, someone is singing for you, Aquarius. You are shining bright, Aquas. Okay, in the third week of November, friends, I think this person is desperately trying to manifest you, or you are trying to manifest or take this connection to the next level. But I feel, still there is a little hesitancy in both of you. You both want to make this connection the best connection of your life, the most amazing connection of your life, but someone is resistant. I also feel like you are a little resistant to this person, but they don't want to let you go. They want to manifest you back in their life, and they are very, very, very set and sure about you, Aquarius. So someone is manifesting you. So I also feel that mid of November will be excellent for you, for your twin flame connections, your relationships. Yes, it is the end of the month that is going to be very interesting, because Aquarius, I do feel you will still resist this person's charms. This person is like, see mama, I'm the charming baby here. You wanna, look at me, look at me. I think this person is trying to just woo you at every cost, but you are here, Aquarius. You are like, nope, 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 nope. I don't know what's going on. I think this is the classic case of a runner and chaser in a twin flame connection or in an intense connection. So you are like, no, I won't take you so easily, baby. You're gonna win my love. You're gonna work it hard. You're gonna show me, do you have it in you? Oh God. So this is like very interesting dynamic. So I do feel that this person is a little scared of your power. You will show them their intensity, you will show them that how powerful you are. Some quick changes will happen at the end of the month, quick things will happen. Like, you will say, nope, don't pacify me, don't, do this to me. And they are like, okay, fine, I treat you in your power, I respect you, you are the queen, I understand, you are the king, I understand, okay, fine, you win. I do see a lot of people will be trying to woo you, Aquarius, at the end of November, and I do feel this person who was running away, who was trying, back and forth in your life, they will finally propose you a long-term commitment, or they will finally come out of their, insecurities, or their, I think they are going to commit to you. And I do see someone else also committing towards you, like an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or an Aries, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Sorry. So you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. But things are going to get balanced in your love life. Look at that. The rainbow is going to shine for you, Aquarius. You're gonna end the month feeling like, whoo. Yes, we are the divas, we are the kings, we are the queens. What a great month for you. Everyone is trying to manifest you, Aquarius. At least someone is desperately trying to fall in love with you. Aqua babies. Let's see your advice for the month of November. Yes, friends, I know most of you want to see this reading in Hindi and Urdu also. So, friends, I have already done it on my other channel. Please check it out. The link is in the timestamp. In the comment section. You can check there. Advice. Wow, blossom. See, things are blossoming in your love life, in your relationship, in your marriage, in your connection. It's 20. It's like things are moving. Things are moving. You don't have to worry. And look at this, so much of energy. You are like this light bolt. You are like this sun. You are attracting everybody. And why? Because Mamma Mia. I think you should listen to that song also, Mamma Mia, because that's your song for the month of November. I think I will be doing songs for the every month now, because I keep getting songs and they just don't leave me. I think songs and me, Magic Vans Tarot, are united. We are in a twin flame relationship. The songs and Magic Vans Tarot. Yes, that's it. Let's see what else. Ooh, sacral chakra, passion, creativity. Someone is head over heels in love with you. I think it is time to see the beauty in this connection, the beauty in every connection in your life, Aquarius. It is time to manifest what you need. Also, your beauty. Some people are attracted to your beauty, your inner soul. So a lot of people will be coming your way. You should, I don't know if you enjoy it or not. Also, someone is very drawn and attracted to your beauty, and they are scared. Rest and reconsider. Number nine. I do feel it's a busy month for you, so take some rest. You might get tired, so take some rest. A lot of people are asking for your energy. There is a lot a lot of sexual intimacy, a lot of chemistry, a lot of busy month, friends, busy month. So make sure to rest, make sure to get your time of rest and relaxation. Let's see your work and career, Aquarius. Aquarius, their work and career in November. Sorry, friends. The Two of Wands. Okay. I'm not taking that's a too much of a bunch of a card. I'll take only one or two. Ooh. Wow, very interesting, Aquarius. What is happening in your work and career is quite interesting. I feel you will be working very hard in your career. Your main theme is you will be working a lot. You will be also taking some mature steps regarding your work or career or finances. I feel some of you are wanting to change a situation in your career and job. Like some of you are ending a job which was quite difficult or quite conflicting for you, negatives. It was toxic job or work environment for you, so you might be leaving it. You might be changing your home or something, finding a better work environment, a workspace. I see that something will end for you, or you will leave something, and what you are leaving this month, it is this conflict or fighting with somebody, or someone at work is fighting with you, or you could be having an internal confusion within you, Aquarius, what to do. You will come out of it. You will be able to finally find the right option if you are confused about your career and work situation. Or I also feel like, some of your Aquarius, maybe your parents or your family or in-laws or your husband or wife, someone is not understanding about your career or what you need to do next about your career, or someone is not supporting you. So you will find some relief. Someone is fighting with you, arguing with you. You will find relief from that toxic environment. You will find people who will help you out. I see some of you might be finding a new office or a new job which is peaceful, giving you some peace, giving you some relief. I also see that more mature people will be coming towards you. Mature, people who understand you. Even if you are in business, you will find people who understand you. I also feel this is your month. You will be taking charge of your life. You will be, especially your career, you will be investing your money, you will be taking some risk. And I don't think so you people might approve of that. These risks, people might say they are too risky, this won't go well for you, Aquarius. Like, you are spending money or investing money on a career, or you are going abroad for travel, for work, for education, but people might be, hey, that won't go well. But I think it will go well for you, Aquarius, because you're very strong. Anything you begin now, or you have started, any gambles you take, Aquarius, are gonna prove to be very, very prosperous, because you have the Wheel of Fortune. And I see you will be traveling. I see some of you will be traveling. I also see some of you will be, graduating, moving out of colleges, or moving into a new job, new office, maybe a new home. Yeah. I also feel, friends, that you should keep your dreams or goals or next move within you, because I feel people might not understand you. People might not understand what you are trying to do in your work or career or education. So keep your things or plans to yourself, because this is also in the theme. So you should keep it to yourself. Also, take a mature approach in your goals, in your work and career and finances. If you are a student, I would suggest you to study something well, before making, before going for, before you become a master, you should study well. That's what I mean to say here. Like, if a leader knows, or in chess, you should know how everything moves. Then chess is a, then only, I think, then only you can win that game, when you know how every move is being planned. So that is how it is. Strategize, plan, keep your things hidden. And I think some of you will become teachers or will start teaching. Others of you will become, you will restart your business and it will become better. So a lot of things of restarting is there. So let's see your advice, Aquarius. Advice for Aquarius for their life in general. Wow, see, some decisions are coming your way. Number 7. Ooh, observe. Number 12. Take a different perspective. Yeah, I feel this is a, keep your eyes open. Things, you have the Wheel of Fortune, you have the Chariot, and you have the well-deserved, dedicated effort. So yes, any efforts you are making or putting this week or this month, they are going to bring you success. But be open to doing things in a new way, Aquarius. Be open, Hanged Man. Things, you are not stuck. Things are moving forward. Decisions, yes, you will have some decisions to make, some choices. But I think the choice is to stay dedicated and not leave things half, leave things in between. Manifest. Wow. That's beautiful. You are the magician. You can manifest anything you want. But the problem is, what do you want, Aquarius? Decide, you will have it. Let's see some extra messages for you. Rainbow. And look, here is a rainbow also. So you might be dealing, some of you might be dealing with rainbow children, rainbow tribes, or maybe you are into same-sex relationships also, Aquarius. That's an Aquarius thing, you know. Not that for all of you, but yeah, it's an Aquarius thing. It's a Aquarius age thing, you know. Don't worry, I'm myself an Aquarius. No judgment here, friends. I love you all. Seahorse, family matters. Yeah, family is important to you this month. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. Someone is crying for you, friends. Someone is crying for you. Love is in the air for you. Yes, we know that. Sun, happiness and well-being, things getting better. Career, yeah, you will be working a lot. Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. Yes, wheel of fortune. You need to defend yourself, shield. I told you, you need to keep your plans to yourself. I don't know why, but I keep getting that. Wrath, sorrow over a loss. Some endings will happen, or maybe they have already happened for some of you. February is important. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that gives you success. Oops. Sorry for that. Let's see. Rainbow. The most difficult part of a situation is over. So yeah, things are going to get better. Don't be so confused. You have the wheel of fortune, the luck, the star, which is coming true. Your creativity will be very high. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. See? There are some people who might not be supporting you, but it's okay. It's okay, Aquarius. February and May are important for some of you, younger women. Some of you might be dealing with a same-sex relationship, or some of you might be dealing with a younger woman. Torch, I told you, some of you are going to start teaching, or you are going to become a leader in whatever you are doing. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness and understanding. See? So yeah, keep manifesting, Aquarius, whatever you want, it is going to happen for you. It is a great month for you, and make sure to subscribe Magic Vens Tarot. Like this video, join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. Bye for now.